So this is focaccia. We're gonna bake it in the Ranger. We're gonna stuff it with wild garlic and ricotta. Awesome dish, simple to make. I'm just gonna do like that much flour. So this is active yeast. I like to put some in my waters, and that honey will melt into this warm water and it will help feed the yeast and activate. 5 minutes we're gonna leave this, and you'll see a little froth of bubbles as the yeast activates. I've got some of this beautiful smoked sea salt, and I'm gonna add some black pepper. I'm gonna give that a mix through, one of the big tips, because you don't wanna be pouring yeast directly onto salt. Now we gotta chop some wild garlic. Roll it up nice and tight. That's going into our flour, and now I'll mix it. This is about consistency. Quantity does not matter, consistency does. What we're looking for here is like wallpaper paste. So we're gonna pour some of this in. I'm gonna go around there. All right, it's coming along. You see the consistency we're looking at here? This is like wallpaper paste, like thick porridge. That's what I want. Layer of flour, so there's no surface left untouched. Pour it right in the middle. Bring it over, fold it. You only need to do that once, twice. Now, my fingers make sure they're covered in flour, and I'm just gonna lift it and fold it, right? This is not gonna be kneaded, this focaccia bread. It's not like a traditional bread. Perfect focaccia dough. Extra virgin olive oil. This is good Italian extra virgin olive oil. That's gonna soak up the olive oil. I'm gonna put it to rise. It's gonna go up 2.5 times in volume in about 40 minutes. So in this focaccia, you can see the bubbles, it's bursting, and I can see the whole thing's risen. So I've got my nice roasted peppers here, which I'm gonna just rip up. Now I'm taking my wild garlic pesto. Look at the colors. Ricotta's amazing because it does not melt. A little sprinkling of pepper. A little smoked sea salt, over she goes. Wow. This is gonna make sure that my focaccia doesn't stick. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna pick it, drop it. Then dibble it with your fingers. Extra virgin olive oil. Smoked sea salt. So this is rosemary from my garden. This is gonna puff up, probably by about 1/2 again. And that's gonna go in the Traeger at 200 Celsius, 430 Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes until it's golden, golden, golden brown. Look at this. Beautiful. But look at that, and that's cool. Look at all that in there.